Hi guys, the Galaxy A53 went on sale before the launch and someone bought it and reviewed everything about the device. Also, Samsung just pushed an update that turns off game optimizing service for its devices. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So before we get to the details on the A53, Samsung pushed the March security update for its flagships, and within the update is a patch that removes the game optimizing service performance limit on the chipset. Both the CPU and GPU performance limitations have been lifted, so games can run at full potential, and we've seen how much better games run without game optimizing service. But it does heat up a bit more and consumes a lot more battery, which is the trade-off you're gonna get for the peak unrestricted performance. So the Galaxy A50 devices have been some of Samsung's best-selling devices in recent years, from the A50 to the A52, and the A53 is just around the corner. And surprisingly, it was accidentally listed on a website and someone bought it and got the device. And we got some live images, and the A53 looks a lot like the A52, which isn't a bad thing because the A52 is a pretty good looking device. So the listing confirmed the design, and it also confirmed the price to be 350 euros, which is the same as the A52. So the US pricing will most likely be the same as the A52 at $399. The device is going to be powered by the unannounced Exynos 1280 and is going to have the Mali G68 GPU. It's also going to come with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and will house a 5000 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 4500 on the A52. So that's more battery life for the A53. But unfortunately, there isn't going to be a charger included in the box, which I think is a really stupid move for a mid-range device. It's also going to have a 6.5-inch 1080p Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It'll have a quad camera setup on the back with a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 32-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The device is going to launch on the 6th of April alongside the A73, which I covered in a previous video, and I'm going to cover more on these devices, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.